is gamay. Pagkat to pababa dit, adi wait lang ka.
Sa ipa mo.
Pumunta na. This is latu. Gamay. Now this is how to clean latu. This is how to clean. Have to remove the roots. This is the roots. So this cannot be eaten. See the roots. This is the roots to clean. See the roots. So I have to remove the roots of the gamay, latu. So this is the latu, gamay. Yan.